Welcome to Mastering Restaurant Menu Design by Creative Consultants. Listen up, this isn't just about slapping some dishes on a piece of paper. You think running a restaurant is a joke? It's a bloody battlefield out there, and your menu is your weapon. It's the first impression your customers get, and it can make or break their dining experience. A poorly designed menu can sink your restaurant faster than you can say burnt toasts. Imagine your customers struggling to find what they want, or worse, being turned off by the layout and design. In this series, we're going to tear apart the art of menu design from concept to execution. We'll dive deep into the psychology behind menu layouts, color schemes, and even font choices. We'll cover everything you need to know to create a menu that's not just a piece of paper, but a culinary masterpiece that'll have customers drooling before they even take a bite. By the end of this series, you'll have the skills to craft a menu that not only showcases your dishes, but also enhances the overall dining experience. Chapter 1. Concept Development, Laying the Foundation. Right, before you even think about scribbling down dishes, you need to take a step back. We need a bloody concept. This is the backbone of your entire venture. What's the heart and soul of your restaurant? What story are you trying to tell through your food and ambiance? Is it a swanky fine dining experience or a casual burger joint? Each has its own unique charm and challenges. Next, who are you trying to attract? Identifying your target audience is crucial. You can't please everyone, so pick your target audience and cater to their tastes. Understand their preferences and expectations, and for God's sake, be clear about your cuisine. Consistency is key. Don't be putting sushi on the menu if you're serving Italian, you hear me? Stick to your theme and make it authentic. This foundation will guide every decision you make, from the menu to the decor to the service style. Get it right, and you're halfway there. Chapter 2. Menu Composition, Crafting Your Culinary Arsenal. Now let's talk about the menu itself. You need a good balance of starters, main entrees and desserts, and don't even get me started on signature dishes. Every restaurant needs a showstopper, something that makes people say, wow, that's good. Don't forget about seasonality. Use fresh local ingredients whenever possible. It shows you actually serious about what you're serving. Chapter 3. Menu Design. Presentation is everything. The design needs to be as sharp as your knives. Layout and structure are crucial. You want it to be easy to read, not some cluttered mess. Typography matters, you hear? Choose fonts that are legible and reflect your restaurant's style, and use high-quality images if you're going to use them at all. Blurry photos scream amateur hour. Chapter 4. Pricing Strategy, Turning Tables into Profits. In this chapter, we delve into the art and science of pricing your menu items to maximize profits. Listen, you're not running a charity here. Pricing is crucial. It's not just about covering costs. It's about creating a strategy that drives revenue and generates profits. You need to factor in your costs, analyze the competition, and understand your customers' perceived value. Menu engineering is key. This means designing your menu in a way that highlights your most profitable items. Highlight your high-profit items and strategically position them on the menu. Place them where the eye naturally falls, like the top right corner or the center. Don't be afraid to use a bit of psychology here. The way you present prices can significantly influence customer choices. People are more likely to order a dish priced at $9.99 than 100 rupees, even if it's just a penny difference. This small change can make a big impact on your bottom line. Use these strategies to turn your tables into profits. Chapter 5, Final Touches, the devil's in the details. Before you send that menu to the printer, get someone to proofread it. Typos are unacceptable, you hear? And don't cheap out on the printing. A flimsy, poorly printed menu screams, I don't care. And in today's world, you need a digital menu too. Make sure it's mobile friendly and easy to navigate. Chapter 6, Regular Updates. Keeping it fresh. Your menu isn't a museum piece. You need to update it regularly. Keep up with seasonal changes, listen to customer feedback, and adjust your pricing if your costs change. And don't be afraid to experiment, try new dishes, get creative with your offerings. The culinary world is constantly evolving, and you need to evolve with it if you want to stay ahead of the game. Ultra, now go out there and conquer. There you have it, you lot. The blueprint for creating a restaurant menu that's not just a piece of paper but a culinary masterpiece. Remember, your menu is your restaurant's first impression. Make it count. Now get out there, put in the hard work, and show the world what you're made of. Give your restaurant a perfect menu, and if you need help, give me a call.